Hello and welcome to Current Affairs. US President Biden says Pakistan may be one of the most dangerous nations in the world as the country has nuclear weapons without any cohesion. The US President's remarks were made in the context of the changing geopolitical situation globally. He said the world was changing rapidly and countries were thinking their alliances. And the truth of the matter is, I genuinely believe that the world is looking to us. Not a joke, even our enemies are looking to us to figure out how we figure this out, what to do. He further says, did anybody think we would be in a situation where China is trying to figure out its role relative to Russia and relative to India and relative to Pakistan? He further says, what I think is maybe one of the most dangerous nations in the world, Pakistan. Nuclear weapon without any cohesion. Pakistan's political leaders replied to Biden in a strict manner, especially leaders of PTI, which has long claimed that the US was behind a regime change operation against their ousted government. PTI chief Imran Khan said he had two questions regarding the US president's statement. On what information has Biden reached this unwarranted conclusion on our nuclear capability? When having PM, I know we have one of the most secure nuclear command and control system. Unlike the US, which has been involved in wars across the world, when has Pakistan shown aggression, especially post-nuclearization? Khan further said that Biden's statement showed the total failure of the imported government's foreign policy and its claim of a reset of relation with the US. Is this the reset? This government has broken all record of incompetence, Imran tweeted, adding that he feared the incumbent government would end up compromising national security. Former Human Rights Minister Shri Mazari demanded an apology from the US President for his nasty remarks. A nuclear US is a threat to the world because you have no control over your nukes. B-52 bomber takeoffs with 6 live nukes in 2007 and no one knows for hours, she tweeted. Mazari went on to allege that the US was an irresponsible superpower with nukes. Let's see in the coming days what will be the Pakistan and US relations.